Open the Pizza Festival event page on Bitmain's official website. Go to Step Center to redeem NFT. Click the Redeem Pizza NFT button. Agree to the agreement. Call up the MetaMask wallet and click the link if you don't have a MetaMask wallet. Please go to the official website to download, redeem NFT and wait for confirmation on the chain. Click View My NFT to confirm the distribution. Open Element NFT trading platform. Click Connect MetaMask in the upper right corner to log in. After successful login, click the upper right corner, and then click My NFTs. Find Pizza hashrate NFT in My NFTs and click Sell, and click List him on the floating layer that pops up. Set the selling price, and click Listing. Element supports multiple markets. You can check OpenSea Lucrare at the same time. Sign and approve NFT in MetaMask. Waiting for blockchain confirmation. Click Sign in MetaMask to list NFT. Listed successfully. Waiting to be purchased. To cancel the listing, please click Cancel Listing on the NFT details page and sign the transaction in MetaMask. Open the Pizza hashrate NFT collection page of the Element NFT trading platform website. Click Connect MetaMask in the upper right corner to log in. Select an NFT that has been listed with the platform logo in the upper left corner. Enter the NFT number such as 77 into the Bitmain official website. Click Search for NFT in Step Sun. Enter the NFT ID in the pop-up box, such as 77. If the result shows this NFT has not been exchanged for hashrate and can be used to receive miners on the official website, you can purchase it. If the result is this NFT has been exchanged for hashrate and is not invalid, please do not purchase. Click Buy Now. If you click on an NFT that is not listed, you cannot buy it immediately. You can only make offer. Wait for MetaMask to be called, and click to confirm the purchase. Wait for the blockchain confirmation, and you can view the purchased Pizza hashrate NFT in My NFTs later. Error reporting situation. If an error occurs when purchasing as shown in the figure below, it means that the NFT has been picked up as miners and you can buy other NFTs. Open the Bitcoin Pizza Day page on Bitmain's official website. Go to Step 4 Pick up S19 XP and click on the Pick up My Miners button. Click on the NFT Exchange button and select the model and number of units. After selecting, click on the Submit button. Confirm shipping address and select shipping method. Read and check the terms and conditions of the agreement and click to submit. The above is the entire pickup process. We will ship the miner after you pay the shipping fee and hashrate difference.